hero.
Talaga?
Yeah, that was part of my speech sa kasal niya. I started bawling like a baby. My hero.
Oh, wow.
And when I was, how old was I? Like 14, we had to have a hero project. Like, who's your hero? So people chose like, like
my dad. Oh, like that?
No one chose their own family members as the only one. So,
sabi ko sa'yo, sobrang swerte ka.
I don't know. I hope they don't feel if yung kasi parati kong sinasabi yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga barkada ko, ang aking magulang. I hope I didn't make it sound bad, but as if I don't have a choice.
Ayaw ko sa'yo kasi
pero
ang pamilya ko gusto kong nilala or
I have
like
a
your
secret,
family's
which
so
I will
good.
reveal on TV, like on live TV. Because of course, like people, well, that's not really a secret, but you know, because people call, text, blah. Let's hang out and like, yes, I'm busy, but it's really because I'd rather hang out with my. I'd rather like kick back and watch TV with my mom and dad than do anything else.
Anong
or not? We don't really watch TV that much.
Manonood or anong?
We watch. Huh?
Yeah, what do you watch?
Oh, anong nanonood ninyo? Just different movies.
Oh, movies?
Kasi recently
soap operas and things like that?
Oh, never. Kasi recently we got one of those satellite whatever things. I don't know how to... I don't even touch the remote. I don't even turn it on. I just call my brother.
Are you serious?
Sa iPod. Brother, help me.
You don't know how to work an iPod?
No, I've never
You're so smart.
I've never...
And you don't know how to use it.
Whenever I come near anything technology, I don't want to touch it.
That should be your daily, your task.
I've never even turned on a... No, I turned on a laptop, but I haven't assembled one. I haven't even plugged it in.
What?
I have a laptop sa bahay natin dito sa Pilipinas, pero I've never brought it out.
You don't use it? That is so strange.
It's like dusty.
Bago. Na bago.
Yeah,
Laptop.
kasi when my brother came over and brought my JLo shoes, he brought me a laptop.
No, talaga, your brother is the man. If he brings your JLo shoes
my brother is
from Canada dito sa Philippines, wow, siya yung lalaki.
Oh, hey, kasi halos wala. Yung dinala niya lahat ng mga gamit ko. The only thing he had was a shirt on his back. And like one pair of clothes in his suitcase. His suitcase is full of my stuff. And his carry-on was full of my shoes. And then, actually, I thought there were no like tampons here in the Philippines. Because we couldn't find them for the Miss Earth pageant.
Yeah.
And he filled that on his carry-on. They did a luggage check.
Full of tampons. Puro tampons.
And high heels.
Who thought he was a cross-dresser?
Well, he's like, they looked at me funny. And I was like, when nung unang dating niya dito,
anong problema mo?
he said they're from my sister or something. Yeah, kasi nung unang dating niya dito, sinundo ko siya sa airport. I was like, oh, what do you want to do? I need clothes. I don't have anything. He's like, I don't even have underwear.
That is really, that's love. That's family love. I don't know about it. I've never heard of anything like that.
Oh my gosh, I miss you.
Grabe naman.
I love you guys. I miss you guys.
I love you guys, brother. I love you. What's his name? Anong ba?
Josh.
Oh, Josh.
I have
Josh at Rosa.
J Suave.
J Suave?
Yeah.
You
I
call him
don't
J
even know where that came from. J Suave. It's my brother.
J Suave.
Bubbles is my sister.
Bubbles.
Kasi
Ikaw.
Atu
Oh, ikaw. Anong nickname mo?
Reese.
No.
Wala.
Dapat may iba.
I'm the one that makes up nicknames for my family. They use it. They don't make one for me.
Your name is Reese's.
Reese. Risa. My dad says Risa kasi he doesn't pronounce the Z. Risa.
Risa.
Risa. Risa.
Rizal. Reese's lang.
Do you have nicknames for your family?
No, actually just mom or mama. I just call him. And Kevin, I call him.
Kuya Kevin?
No, never. Just Kevin or Kev. None. Yeah, that's it. Kevin and mom and Anthony. That's it.